My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
Alright, we are going to be making some soap, and I'm going to be doing a design similar to this one. So, I already have my embeds made up. I have two different colors here. I used, this is Electric Yellow by Stardust Micas, and then I used, it's Ariel Blue by Stardust Micas as well. So this mold holds 20 ounces. I think it's like 13 ounces here. This is goat milk, and I just have like one piece of clear just because I needed a little bit more. So I'm going to go heat this up, and I'll come back and we'll get started. Okay, so I have my soap heated up, and while I was waiting for that, I mixed in some of this sky blue mica from Nurture Soaps with some alcohol, and I'm going to add that to our soap here. I don't want to make it too blue, but I just didn't want to do like plain white. I'm gonna add a little bit of that Ariel blue that I made the embeds with as well. It's 151 degrees. So we can add our fragrance oil, and I'm going to be using Daisy Chain from Brambleberry. Oh, this is one of my absolute favorite fragrance oils. It is a replica of Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume. So I'm just taking a little pipette. I also want to add in some of this blue eco glitter from Brambleberry. You guys know how much I love glitter. Okay, so let's add a little bit into our mold here. Just kind of want to cover the bottom. And then let me spray that with alcohol. And then once it gets a little kind of film, we're gonna start adding some embeds. Actually, we can just do it now for the first layer. So I'm just kind of randomly throw them in there. Okay, and then let me spray it with alcohol again. Okay, so now I'm just going to add enough to where it will cover those embeds. Okay, now we're going to wait for a film before we add any more. Now we're going to do the same thing and just cover up those embeds. Oh, I might need more soap. Alright, let me see if this is going to be enough. I don't think it will. Nope. So let me heat up a little bit more soap. This is really hot. I'm going to have to wait for this to cool down. Okay, well the top layer is going to be a little bluer than the rest of it. That's alright, it gives it character. Okay, it's 135 now, so that should be good. And then we're going to add the rest of the embeds. And let me add a little bit of that glitter on top. I'm going to add some silver too. Okay, so now we're gonna wait, and then I will come back and we will unmold this. All right, guys. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that it has set. So let's see. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, how cute. Oops. I knew I was going to lose one of them. Oh! Super cute. Oops. No. Oh my gosh, I think these are super adorable. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And if you have any like recommendations for like color schemes or anything like that, also let me know down in the comments below. And so once I package these and get stickers on them and take pictures, they will be up on my Etsy shop. And oh my gosh, I think these are super adorable. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I will see you next time.